3 best business credit cards to jumpstart your business today. Hey y'all, what's happening? I'm Rescue, serial entrepreneur, brand strategist, investor, and a philanthropist. It is my hope that this video helps inspire you to take action now. I'm not here to impress you, but to impress upon you that it is all possible to elevate higher. So, let's get right into it. This is your life guide. So, congratulations on your business. Now, be it a home-based business or a new corporation or whatever it is that you have just started, it is rather important, as I've always said, having a business is actually the beginning of tapping into the American dream. Really, seriously, because the government cares only about business owners and investors and also homeowners. If you're not in any of those categories, you are either paying a lot more taxes and do not have access to a lot of resources as business owners do. I mean, rightly so, because small businesses are the bread and butter of the American economy. So I want to empower you and encourage you to start a business today. The great news is you don't have to go and register a business. You could just transform your mind and say, I'm a business owner. Because in America, you could be a sole proprietor and just use your name saying, I'm a businessman, I'm a businesswoman. And right from there, with that declaration, you have become a business person with an intent to make profit, whether it's a side hustle, a consulting business, freelancing, whatever it is that you do. You will also gain a lot with tax benefits. I kid you not. That is something that you need to look into. Check out some of my videos where I am helping you to understand how to create your business and how to take advantage of a lot of these different taxes. Today's video, I am talking about you leveraging using other people's money to work for you. Credit cards. You see, we've been taught to not use credit cards, but I kid you not, credit cards from here on should be your best friend, whether it's a personal credit card or a business credit card. But in today's video, I'm focusing on the business, the 3 important business credit cards I think that every business owner, whether you're just starting or you're already in business, you should definitely, most definitely consider applying for. It would only help your business. So let's go. So money is a tool that can work for you if you understand how to work it. Money is science, something to study, how to manage it and how to use it properly. Now, for any of these credit cards, it is going to be important that your personal credit is at a good score. I'll say something like 680 and above. That is, in a way, good credit. That will give you an opportunity to be able to leverage on your business credit card. While it is perfectly fine to have a sole proprietor and not have to register your business, it has some legal consequences in terms of, if you were sued or anything is to happen and you were sued, your business is sued. As a sole proprietor, if your business is sued, you're sued. That's still you, right? One of the reasons why people register their business is to separate their business from them. So as a LLC or C Corp or S Corporation, any of these business structures, when someone sues your business, they cannot have access to you personally. You're not liable personally, and your personal accounts cannot be frozen. Should it be in litigation or anything like that. So that's why it is important. So I always advise, definitely have a business that you register, but by all means, also you could also operate as a sole proprietor. You should also all the time have a home-based business, and even if it means your home-based business is just you, I kid you not. Make sure you check out the video where I explain. I'll link it up here. You can be able to take advantage of how to start a business and how to really take advantage of some tax credits every single year and all of that. So now with all of these business cards, it would truly revolutionize a lot of things. It will help you. The business credit cards will also alleviate you from using your own personal credit card, where you're always increasing the utilization, which also decreases your score. So when it comes to business credit cards, there is no such rules about utilization. You just got to be able to pay the amount due at the right time. But for personal credit card, if you do not, if you go over 30%, you're in trouble. I usually say stay at 5%. The most will be 10%. Okay, for your personal credit card utilization, always stay at 5%, 10%. Do not go and buy something you don't have the cash for. That's how you actually improve your credit. So getting right into the credit cards that are important for you to get for your business, the first and the foremost is Bank of America. Now, every credit card I'm talking about, the three credit cards that I'm talking about, I find them very valuable, and so I'm presenting them to you. Now, Bank of America Business Advantage Cash Reward Credit Card. Of course, there's a lot of other credit card products that a Bank of America has, but I'm saying that this is a great one to start with. You will earn 3% and 2% cash back on the first $50,000 in combined category purchases each calendar year, 1% thereafter. With this particular card, you can redeem your cash back. The good thing is, cashbacks or cash rewards do not ever expire. And my favorite of all is that you have 0%, and I mean 0% introductory APR on your purchases for the first 9 months. That's amazing. That means no interest whatsoever. So basically you have money for free. Now, Bank of America, usually depending on your company and your credit worthiness, they may start you with either $5,000 or $10,000. In my case, being able to have from $20,000. So it all depends how long you've had your business, but more importantly, your credit score, your personal credit score. That's where it's going to start. Only in the beginning, as you're starting to build your business credit, you will have to be the guarantor. So they will use your personal credit to give you the business credit card. The great thing is that nothing is reported back to your personal credit. At the same time, you have money at your disposal. Having money as a tool to use when you need it and to make more money, it's rather very, 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 very important. Take heed. Finally, on the Bank of America Business Advantage Reward Credit Card, there are no annual fees, right? So you don't pay anything annually. That's always great. So it's definitely a card of a choice when it comes to your business to be able to make your expenses and offset and leverage on other people's money. So the second business credit card that I have on the list for you is the American Express Blue Business Plus credit card. So with this credit card, you have 0 annual fees, limited time. You will earn $300 in statement credit. So you will get 0% introductory APR on purchases for 12 good months from the date of your account opening. That's absolutely amazing. Again, free money, use my money, and don't worry about don't worry about paying anything. That's always a sweet deal. Anytime you're applying for credit card, make sure that you actually look for such deals. You need 9 months to about 12 months of no APR, no interest whatsoever. That's how you leverage on other people's money. On this business credit card, you'll be able to earn membership rewards point 2 times the points usually, with no category restrictions, okay? All without an annual fee. Now, for you to earn the 2 times the points, you will be capped at $50,000 usage per year. So every year that you have the card, the first $50,000 that you spend on the card, you will get 2 times the point on any of the categories. So although you have expanded buying power, which is great, okay, that basically means that they will allow they will allow some room where you could be able to use the card more than your credit limit with no penalty, as long as you're able to pay in time. Now, my absolute favorite, and yes, it's very expensive, but it comes with reward. The third business credit card you should have is the American Express Business Gold Card. That's right, the American Express. The annual fee, I tell you right away, is $295 annual fee. But don't be deterred, because if you understand money, that it is a tool and you can use it, it will work for you. So with that money, with that annual fee comes a lot of benefits, rewards, that if you understand how to use it, you will gain a lot more. So let's get right into that. So with an annual fee of $295, this card allows you to earn 35,000 membership reward points. So within the first 3 months of your membership, and you spend about $5,000, you will get 35,000 points. Now, that equates to about $300, $400. So you've already gotten your money back in terms of the annual fee. There's more. With the Business Gold Card, you'll be able to earn 4 times the points on up to $150,000 per year. So in all, these 3 cards are definitely a game changer when it comes to having business credit cards. You should definitely, if you're not sure about your credit worthiness, take some time to really prepare and make sure that you have a pretty good credit and go ahead and apply. Definitely start the journey of leveraging on other people's money. Now, the most important thing in all of these is that you use the money wisely. You gotta understand the game, make sure you pay no interest, spend the money and pay it on time. Totally understandable if you're really making business expenses where you have to pay interest and all that. Understandable, but do not use it if you don't need it. Gain more and build on more, and so you're more trusted. So you will have a lot more money on your credit cards when you need it. As always, I like to give some bonus tips. Now, while Bank of America and American Express are great banks to bank with and also to get your credit cards from, the bonus actually tops it. Okay, that is, you should definitely start building relationships with credit unions. So credit unions gives you some of the best, absolute best credit line or credit cards for your businesses, and they focus on certain demographics, and depending on the credit union, you will have to find a way to become eligible to join. Some of them, like Penn Federal Credit Union, is pretty much open to everyone. Navy Credit Union is another great one, but you will need to find affiliation. Definitely do your own diligence, do your own homework, and find as many as possible, and slowly but surely start building the relationship and open a small bank account with them, and eventually apply for credit card. You'll be surprised. You have buying power like never before. If you focus on something, you will get it, and you will alleviate yourself from any financial troubles that you've had before. In conclusion, creditworthiness, relationships, and being responsible are paramount to everything else. Understand how to use money and how to make money work for you. Leverage other people's money. That is the key. Well, folks, I appreciate you for your time. Please click and smash the like and the love and thumbs up button and the bell and notification as a way to support and to encourage me to create more videos to inspire others. It also helps the algorithm populate the message faster to those who need this most. So go ahead, send these to 2 or 3 people as a way to support my channel. I really appreciate you. I'm looking forward to sharing some more exciting videos with you and resourceful links below. So go ahead and explore that to support the channel. But at the same time, there are some great resources that will enrich your financial and your life journey. That's about it for now. Remember, knowledge is power, but the application of knowledge is powerful. You have greatness within you. Tap into it. Thank you for watching. Really, I mean that. I'm Rescue, and this is your life guide.